Why do wrongful battery convictions happen? Imagine being accused of something you did not do and facing serious legal trouble because of it. Wrongful battery convictions can happen even when the person accused is innocent. Let's find out how this can occur. First, a wrongful conviction can happen because of mistaken intent. Battery requires that the person intentionally caused harmful or offensive contact. If someone accidentally bumps into another person, they should not be convicted of battery. But sometimes, prosecutors argue that the contact was intentional, even when it was not. This can lead to unfair convictions. Second, false or misleading evidence plays a big role. Many battery cases relying heavily on what the victim says or physical evidence found at the scene. If the victim exaggerates injuries or falsely claims harm, it can mislead the court. Witnesses might also be unreliable or have personal reasons to lie. When evidence is not accurate, innocent people can be wrongly convicted. Third, legal definitions can be misunderstood or misapplied. Battery involves unlawful physical contact that is harmful or offensive. Sometimes, minor touches or accidental contact are mistaken for battery. If the prosecution does not prove that the contact was truly harmful or offensive beyond what a reasonable person would consider acceptable, a wrongful conviction can happen. Fourth, defenses like self-defense or defense of others are sometimes overlooked or not properly presented. If someone used force to protect themselves from an immediate threat, that is not a crime. But if the defense is not considered, the person might be wrongly convicted of battery. Fifth, errors during investigations and prosecutions can lead to wrongful convictions. Investigators might misinterpret facts or ignore evidence that shows innocence. Prosecutors may rely too much on circumstantial evidence or assumptions, which can result in charging someone who did not commit the crime. Sixth, confusion between assault and battery can cause mistakes. Assault is threatening or trying to harm someone, while battery involves actual physical contact. Sometimes, charges are filed or convictions are based on assault when no physical contact happened. This mix-up can wrongly label someone as a battery offender. Lastly, the burden of proof is high but sometimes not strictly enforced. Prosecutors must prove all elements of battery beyond a reasonable doubt. If the evidence is weak or ambiguous, but the court accepts it, innocent people might be convicted. For criminal defense, it is essential to challenge the evidence, show that the contact was accidental or justified, and prove the absence of intent or harm. Investigating false accusations or alibis can also help. Understanding what makes up battery and emphasizing the need for clear proof helps prevent wrongful convictions and protects those accused.